How about a wolf? How about a cow?
Moo.
How about a goat? Meh.
Ma.
How about
A chicken.
chicken?
Pak.
Pak, pak, pak. How about
Snake.
snake? How about a dog?
Oh, oh.
How about a cat?
Meow.
Meow. How about
Bird.
bird? How about
A duck.
a duck? Duck. Quack, quack, quack.
Quack, quack, quack.
How about again? How about a wolf?
Moo.
How about a pig?
Ay, ay.
How about a cow?
Moo. Moo.
How about a horse?
Neigh.
How about chicken?
Pak.
Bak, bak, bak. How about a duck?
Ma.
Duck, quack, quack, quack. That's a sheep. Duck is quack, quack, quack.
How about frog?
A frog.
Ribbit.
Ribbit, ribbit. Ang galing ng anak ko. Ulitin niya natin pagka bukas ko pa-practicing ko na naman ulit para ma-memorize niya. Ang galing ng anak ko.
How
So
about monkey?
Ooh.
How about
Daddy.
Daddy.
How about mommy?
Mommy.
Lola.
Nana.
Baby. Ang cute. How about airplane? Outside? Up in the air, in the sky? In the sky.
How about the monkey?
Ooh.
Galing.
Galing talaga ng baby ko.
Galing ng baby ko. Galing ng baby ko too.